to my channel. So I look like shit right now. Like, let's just state the obvious. Like, hello. Basically, I have to record off of my phone, and I'm whispering because it's like kind of early. Everybody's asleep, but I have to record off of my phone because I lost, or I guess my battery charger, because I usually have it in the bathroom. I don't know if it like fell in the trash can, like, or something, but basically I don't have a camera anymore. I have it, but I just don't have a battery for it. Like, everything's going wrong. But anyway, I'm just gonna vlog today because we have like some things to do. Where I have to go finish getting my passport because I'm gonna go to Belize. Yes. If anybody didn't know, I'm Belizean. My mom was born there, my grandma was born there, so yeah, my grandma lives out there and she like has a house out there and stuff. So I'm basically just making breakfast right now. We ran out of regular milk, so I have to use Lactaid. So how do I flip this? Can I flip it? I can flip it. I don't think I got that like at all. I'm just making baby oatmeal for me and Alex. This stuff is so good. Like, I love eating baby oatmeal. Like, it's so good. I'll come back when I finish making it. Hey guys, so I'm back with my breakfast. I made the oatmeal, the baby oatmeal. You basically just put vanilla extract and sugar in it, and it tastes so good, and it's like no calories at all, so that's a plus. Dookie, you gotta wake up. Dookie. Come on, you gotta wake up. We gotta go bye-bye. Wanna go bye-bye? Let's go bye-bye. Let's go bye-bye. You guys, look at how handsome. Hey, that's dirty. Look how handsome my baby looks. You look so handsome. Hey, stop picking up shoes. Dirty. I know you want to go bye-bye. We're going to leave, okay? Oh, he's being a brat. Why are you being such a little butt? Hey guys, just checking in. So Raymond is... What happened? He's coming back.
How embarrassing.
Oh, he forgot his wallet. The guy's probably like... But yeah, so basically we're just here. He's getting water and snacks because we're going to the beach after me and Alexander get our passports. Say hi, Dookie. Say hi. And I have to delete like a bunch of pictures and videos off of my phone because for some reason it just keeps stopping when I record because I think my memory's full. Hey guys, so we got our passports and I didn't vlog while I was there because honestly, like, what was the point? Like, you would have just seen me get my passport and it was boring and Alexander was acting like a wild child. And so thank God he's asleep now because he needs a nap because he just needs to get it together. Like, he needs to get it together, okay? But yeah, so right now I'm just waiting for Raymond. He went in a building to do something. So yeah, now I'm just waiting, listening to music, and honestly, like, I'm so hungry. Hey guys, so we finally made it to the beach. I don't know if you can see me because the sun, but we're playing already. Alexander! Hi! Say hi, babe.
Hey guys.
Alexander, say hi! Oh my god! Wow! That's a big Wow! Uh-huh. Mango. Such a chill day here. Babe, I honestly like the vibe at Redondo better than any other beach. Raymond found a little quartz and this a little dirty rock. My lipstick is all coming off. Oh, I can't zoom in right here. My makeup looks a hot mess now, but that's okay. Alex! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Wow, Alex! Look at you, Dookie! much needed because it is so hot where I live. It gets up to like 105. I know it gets like that in LA too, but like where I live is like, I mean, I guess it's better because it's dry, it's not humid, but oh my gosh, I have to sneeze. But yeah, like I'm just so happy that we're here because the last time we came to the beach was like 2 weeks ago, and it was, oh my gosh, I have to sneeze again. But the beach was like, we went to, I forgot what it was called, but it was like super cloudy and like overcast, and it was cold. It was like 72 degrees, and today's like 82, and it's sunny and it's warm and beautiful, and I'm just loving it. And I don't know what my son's doing over there. He's doing his own thing. Alex, come here. Raymond is literally all in the water talking to some old dudes. Oh my gosh. The old guy's wife is like right here, and I don't know if she can hear me. So I shouldn't have said that so loud. But yeah, he's like in the water with a friend that he made, I guess. I don't know. But yeah. Alex, hey! Hey! Come here! He's eating the sand. I gotta go.